Thank you for sitting down with me. You know how we always talk about wanting to get rich, travel, or buy a house, but it feels like a distant dream. Today, I want to show you a game changer. It's called the SMART method. It's a simple framework to transform your vague life goal into a precise, mathematically backed financial plan. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the definitions. SMART is an acronym. To make a financial goal work, it cannot just be I want to save money. It needs to specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. It's like giving you money a GPS destination instead of just driving around aimlessly. Think of it as a financial formula. Goal equal what plus how much plus by when. A vague dream plus a specific dollar amount plus a strict deadline equal a SMART goal. Look at this formula on the screen. If any of these three elements are missing, your project is just a wish, not a plan. Dream, cash target, deadline equal reality. So, when do you use this? The answer is for every single major life event. Whether you are planning a short-term project like buying a new laptop next year, a medium-term project like wedding or a car down payment, or a long-term dream like buying a house or retiring early. You use it whenever money and time intersects. Why do we bother doing this? Because human brains hate ambiguity. When you just say, I need to save, your brain feels deprived and you spend money on impulse buy. But when you put a date and a number on it, your brain switches to problem solving mode. It creates urgency, track progress, and eliminates the guilt of spending. Let's do some quick math to show you how simple it is. Let's say you want a safety net fund. Total goal $6,000. Your deadline is 24 months from now. The math is basic divisions. 6,000 divided by 24 months equal $250 per month. Break it down further. That is about $62.50 a week. See how a scary 6,000 total suddenly looks totally doable. Let's look at a real-world scenario we both face. Imagine your car breaks down or you lose your job. A bad goal is I need to build an emergency fund. A smart goal is I will build a 3,000 emergency fund by automating a 125 transfer to a separate saving account on the first of every month for the next 24 months. It's remove all guesswork. War. Let's take something fun. Like that trip to Japan we always talk about. Instead of saying we should go Japan someday, the smart version is I will save 4,800 for a 2-week trip to Japan by December 2027. By cutting out on a restaurant meal a week and saving 150 a month. Now the trip is mathematically guaranteed to happen. Here is the ultimate expert trip to make sure actually success. Automate it and visualize it. Don't rely on a willpower. Set up your bank account to automatically move that $150 or $250 the day you get a pay. Then name that saving account Japan Trip 2027 or My Freedom Fund. Looking at that name every week stop you from touching the money. Let's build our right now. That's the whole secret. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how clearly you map it out. So, enough talking about my goal. Grab your phone, open your note app, and let's write down your very first smart financial goal together right now. What's the one thing you want to achieve first? That is for our course today, and thank you very much for everyone. If you have a question, don't hesitate to write in the comment, and I suggest you to subscribe in our channel to have a notification on our new videos. Thank you very much and see you soon.